mà là cái tiếng chạy nhor có đúng tin media cái chẳng cái dân dok có phải walkel cái ron kín đang rau với cái dân đang rau với cái DH anh mặc bằng ngột gốc bây nung lỡ được con là nung yên chẳng có đúng tin media cái trên tuộc cái University Sudan cái này win more nó điện anh wala cái chẳng cái dân dok có phải walkel đúng tin media bete ka abden thì bên nung ye cái bete ka analysis thì bên nung ye cái situation đó là rồi cái University Sudan cái con nên thế abden do kona baga nung ye bala kore ji tuo ke waron wanga me bunu ne changa nyandang do ko pai wolkel dor mi jale pier kana motot payam pier kana motot payam ka payam nu ror county ke jongle state rai loka ban rai ku ne nga me ji kor kap ke pier kana motot ka winit ka motot kana pier men cha kor kap tin krizal kur ndana ya kap ke pier kana motot ngu concentration ko motot kene pier bat me ya kor mo kaptin chatedi no mo bala abde dan lunni kor ji to ko pier kene motot mere ude ban ta ko te ke lumi ngata abde de ude lumi ngata ga dan le rode re jikany are waiting for kor menanke jang padang ban rajo de ko ne what is the root cause of the problem kam jan padang kana ga jiok ala jikany is Nuer. So when we talk about Padang, we talk about Ngok. When we talk about Jikany, we talk about Gajio. Ku problem dien, the root cause of their problem. Ku area edingu. Again, but like what is the immediate cause? Me ku no korandan and ku kor lingu la rode and wale. Plus go nga mijien mukunga or attack kan kora walnam. Situation dan in the area of dom. Ku lang county. We di. Kenu en kor mi yo kor mo makap ko mo Padang makap ka Nuer mo makap ka Jikany of Upper Nile. What does it mean for the future of Upper Nile state? Ngulo de tino. So the rob got about Rajodian about the looming attack re Jikany. Min dan in Jordan bala Governor Dollar. Governor Dollar of Upper Nile state jala powerless. Still control ka politic ka civil government dan roya ka makal eto control ka security of malakal town kana wado kien ka panal state ke pel tin ngado to ona jago wore Jikany they are confused ke gwele pai weje ka wulang ka ninde pai wa lore cha lorje ne tukur te kon te tel ngai ke ben dollar nyodo jago wote confusion no one ko belat ko no go ne wo Jikany bigate ka understanding of $1 ngumlade ki ngumre long ngumlade okay in this current situation taro ko dog do kon ba ga no lab deni tan da bala analysis cher ga mara yana jagalat and the top analysis today e will take a kor mukulum kam jana padang kana tat kama kal lar ga je wona to ni re krimisene me ke wona pai kel le teme to kam nen darawro kuna la tiku wona ne what will be the cause ngu be a problem me bu korto kam padang kana jang I mean kana tat makal mo kona wala raj mi che yen mo bi ga lag analysis ba ga ben ko point dia lo kon ko wona ne problem dia ne dinu che to gudi ke chop ko stage dien what is the current situation now ko ngu mun daga ja ko ken daga wokor so ko no to dia to ba ko cholo karab de no today biro palping bi ke linga go bi ka like bi ka share bi go jak online. Well, I take on a lot of work more taught, which is update number 1. Eu chete gu mi jien kayai, ngai kon yai a center of the government, re loka. To kumetin, a mano commissioner, appointees of government. Unusually yemis garkur galwak. Lincoln me to a cornin teachua, come I can I go kit guang. So me to walk a la problem of might, the barber. We heard about all this story to a lot. Who were in a chicken from where to where a man might end up can of woo. Jack can just spell my but me cha SPLM kit gwang me cha jo ra ken ke area so cha ro jo den dung ma je mo medan kata to ro de je cha ko no yo dung dit media me in lach edit so ko no problem nyam jen dung ma dung ma me kurni je ro ya kala ne de ko ra jo gwa ma je la jikit gwang chi ke yen chi ke ban ga yoi me chi ke ban ga yoi ji be mobilization den ni yoi mobilization ma yo correspond ke into the nan te ko kum te ke yoi with the commission and ji mit kar kur galwa ko bare lo ko ba in bit ba pier meta ma je motin ke SPL ma yu ba ko ju jawano so ja plan me lat for a long time ke telat ke ko nin de ko na ju jikit gwa so today chi ke yen cha kur cha kap ka pier tensionally ko ba de ba no ba wa attack ba ja yu ba ko ju ju wino cha ngaj ben cha ko lor cha ko in counter cha ko jo ken ja pier no mo cha ko jo ni rek ni ka yoi cha ko nang ne dang rau cha ji bo ni kien o kien cha nang mi lu no na attack mo che pel cha attack do dien joro nyok tor mi cho le bull mo a part of motot is a payam as we say it bull a village then yen ko wat ka center of the government ka barak mi shi ge no baka ke chagle mobilization ko ba ngwana ba mobilize ko de ko de will ka ba period can which is a connection come way can wat so mi group me yen ko wat shi ke ban la mobilization there were about 10 of them yalla ge PKM nang jok yalla ke la ni dang maro so me ji ge bano with a connection ke few people today community ka telefone ko biya ke jal ne ke day ban kap ke day dor me chol bul na yen ke wor tiang na orum ko bul ke ne te konte chara organize so me chup ko ponyo mo si chup ko de day kap into the jal ne te konte yen day community go chaga jo by mo ke day they want to take bullet into the jal ne te ba ko wa de wona ne ba ne to organize ba kur ba kap ko peri can together so cha deal mo ja on mo lat ke je cha we ji ko no mi resolve ko bul one we go ahead ko we ke je bul re ching gur ko ba ku yo to ching mi tie ke wat plus ne o ken we ke de bulai ko no ken de go mo winu and then they go the you go wo ne te kon te je re ching te wo wa de kap cha ro mo ke plan den their plan ne wona ne our objective shi go bana ko wat shi go bana nyin ko lo kon e go ba kon mo de mi ke ya kon mo de trying to dutch nang kon ko de ne ko wat bana ma ti bana ka nang ke ke de whether they like it or not the courage deal mo you succeed cha pi ke nang ngung jok ke lai ne nang baro cha ke disarm connect with two of them didn't try to resist cha kana cha token gize no mulo kan true attack of today cha ka suited she ayu jangor ko position ke which is a current situation today ko motot kan appear mitele mission to ko nyok mitram chini yen mission lo keke that is the attack and then in chiro lat ko motot kan appear as an update mo kono men number 2 la looming attack na la roko chikany so we talk about the root cause ngula root cause kam jikanyo kapadang so when we talk kam jikanyo gajo most of the problem kumbe mala kume jane because these people they don't have a problem for century changa kel problem there no about talk kume jane which is influence of young government kapadang trying to expand trying to control everything in Upper Nile in the name of the Dinka government. So a shop no go situation to dialogue jaga per bok kam den ngene jikai. And as we see kata da nature to work, kata you kumro organize, away you way jaga nasser, meji way jaga wolang. That was the beginning. Kay shikli pata kume cha wagwan the dialogue. Lakin behind that kume ke influence no padang ni charo lo organize charo den lo jet trying to be strong, believing in their government, and support a come government, shake a much, shake a day, ko ba nuore ba ko lo aras, shake a chap of Wulang. So on Guamo, immediate cause of Coronan and Rore Wale, Chalao Chijang, La Jang Padang, Chigi and Charet, Chanang, Dormula Sholadome. ko lang konti cha dor to wona ngwan cha kare de ken one cha ken ya kanang yu na they come and sleep you can't you ngot kan ban kor shi yu lang second time shi go the third time you know ko ling chang and me you can go cha ta le shi mo cha bala de ken ta le shi ya lat cha la devastated so you need one second nang mun no mo cha jang padang with their organized forces cha ga trick wona ne de ribe de nyoko mananga je ko lang and that is the revenge we are seeing today men yen mo ko organize and the problem of Tana ya organize they was trying to make it as a government ke post of bukum behind it yeta we na ta padang tin lakini am guru de kum de martin they try to organize a gelek ala tet mi tar wo nyur cha wo jogo wona ne mo watere chi kur bulo na tet plus what tet they have their own problem with young padang this day ita cha ro ni wurit chi jang padang chi ro ngorodin bulo an attack is now in between yabawa ya chabuwa but the big thing it will begin ko whether they go or can go bijikan bikor bikanate to completely destroy that threat and come. So that is the situation we are in today. Now to konko ya big shop ya chiga bishop. What is this situation will bring to our panel state? Kapyo here. A disaster. Ko kurbi nyin kan padang kan nuor kan padang kan jikan. Chaben ray ngok. Chaben ka balir ka it will go. There shop na paloy. There are kokabal. There are one garang. It may happen. Could you chala kormi civil war come sharp crowded. No one will control sharp jikan. Ko ishwara kwa kundi ya nang ishwara gugur. And if Jateno, with this government we know, belong to content, and if Japan go to content, what will it be? The Teddy. Bala disaster could the more sharp road the more government will not be stable. Who there a situation more, there a control. But Nile will fail, and it will cause even the government, indeed, to fail. So no manan la road ka fanail ku chairman jagalat angam nankor what is the cause of the problem kam jikan kan jangok ka ngu la immediate cause ka ngam ku nga attack and wale ka situation wade ka ngu mo de ke future of fanal jata jagalat ku kwide no more update about the looming attack mala road ka wulang county. Number 3, more common update the audience, governor of Upper Nile State, ni dollar, jala powerless. Chakola the governor jala powerless, ku politic of the Upper Nile, shiga jang padang, shiga tat, shiga nuori, shiga chaini. The CS of Upper Nile State, jala political part of it, civil government, jello. So despite Webeka SPLM, the SPLM members, La Jang Padang, they don't respect him. Cha respect. In the state quatrain je ku baga jinak. So mun no shi anaga makal now, je take a check position. Go take a check position political je still political decision making power. Je security of Apanal state je ngar ko je tel intervention. Tara mluege mbe yo na maten. Je order to the organized forces. Je order ko security. So Ramishi no more jala powerless. Chetel control. Number 2 is trying on the jago whether you kind of confused. Cheke is recent visit where we jago lang. You lang jene dan inform civilian jago jak to welcome. And it ko no welcome unknowingly. Woman objective dollar we jagam pulang chicken angaj. And the results again korlat corner go te kormu chup no lang. Me minanke janga fadang ken we jago ulang ken control ken bro ga janga fadang to stop attack so instead ya wakang neke ken jikan je kon no in the future a message mo ga jikan ko whoever like dollar with the interest of this government and an take jube whatever valariamo telefai so the decision be jabi go in jikan in your home be jabi chang peacefully. Bejian again. Bejian from Juba, from Makal to you. Bejian from you to Guadalquivir. So it is in your hand. You know dollar very well. Be a ngajo chalaram the power. In a state quiz struggle, legend who appointed, and the security there. That I maintained it. Kawalai, bad Makano wood. Dogo talk and up the corner de go up it. More condiment and the analysis of today. I call it analysis da wale. It would take a core, milrode, come tat, la chulo. Can a young fadang. When we talk about young fadang, we mean the padang of Afanal. Padang of Ngok, Ken Ager, Kenyil, Dungjol, Abelang to con the gala need. So it shall get padang. Nay, total a problem, get that. Problem then is historically the issue of land. You all know it. Land of Malakal, the eastern bank of Upper Nile estate. So it's still no more. It's still me. Michi Jain, Kakorun, and we have read it, channeling, channel war. Munu wale, Murai Konku and Largaje Mine to begin, Yagatat, Kanajanga Padang. Tere Largaje, and it is imminent. It may happen, even one of Pai Kelmo. That a Tagamato come in. Muko Raiku and Mendeto come in. The woman de la cause, Medego no problem. More like a root cause. Root cause of the problem come Padang, can attack a land, issue of land, Chetayaglan. Thana Yola political dispute can development over the land. Chetatin Gurun in one, Micherken. Problem an unknown land, a Malakal town, can surrounding area, Ngam Jenny Edunda. Ownership of that area. A young Padang a Dundian, a Tade Dundian. Ngay kone and Malakal a mix case story. I ran quick claim, Monanorabo, they said, is our home, because originally it became a center, case story of the Upper Nile state. But the land, a dunga. What like a historical perspective. Historical background. Then a simply who can both group chicken kawainal for generation. Who compete over Makal, Shetal at corner and surrounding area, create a bank of East Nile. A Michel Gano, Kakorun Jewal, the telehistor needs an administration, the lot. Shuete a burning issue. Kurabatok, second civil war ka Sudan. She 1983, Bonaco 205. Shulan issue, she administrative change. She Benakel, sure a lot. She made problems she would work between 2015 and 2017. Come 2015, 2017, the entire done, may she all the political landscape, can all the walayat. Charaban shape. Gongu, shape 32 state. 32 state may shaga declare the problem of one and anga. Maybe local government be control can resource. Kamakal. You can grievances to sugar fuel. Katat can a jang fadang. Machakal. Work a wig. In short, Malakal similar corner of a claim again both sides. Tat can a jang padang. Administrators to conduct a town can the ownership of the town a problem. As we know, Shagatalat Konoku, that young historically is Orient, Kalatade Dorian. And think up a down coming a young the burning issues of today about the land of Makal. Can make a lot of administration can resource. Go about minister can resource. And when we talk about the perspective that the perspective that issue of Makal, community large can a Makal town ken is bank ka wai nal ke land kien an lar ken ku ta nan te ke jang padang ka ma kal bat me cha ka lo ka ma kal ke 32 state chengatin alane de ko fai ni landa kwa de mana ken go bi withdraw areas of West Bank ne ko Korfulus o pe ne ko lul ke wi yero ajero ya nan la position of Ted mo ko right position of Padang lar kene idora lat kene in the same historical background taban ngai kon dor Padang kene makal ku tedi tan tegeje ko kon junubi no kon kazaten che kon nuor tenga history of makal ngum la kon ku makal dor ngane kam Ted kene ja so makal ke history de ngai kon e wo do Ted ku yang dor kien as we con them cha ga kwenin tinto Padang aron melakal and baliet a distant kam la gane makal yola akoka te distant the one northern part of Afanal kan dor kon ta jang Padang tagatin lakin the bank of the river Nile jang Padang chigatatin we can talk years of akoka take a bank of the river. We can talk of Paloj and Malus, Wanakarang. Nay, talk about a river, but dung jol. Can a ngok, I mean ngok, a ngok Lolayak, to con and take a dorm like Charlie, Barliet. She's a part of East Nile River, Kodorian Nane. In the state, part of Soba River, Wadian Kanaster. So they don't have claim Kamakal. They'll claim Malakal. Malakal, the Ted. Addition to West Bank of Nile. Ngay kono ko story no. Men ku problem no currently mobilization iro balat. Kajen this 2025. Ta chara mobilize ci Padang chara mobilize. So kan two community kwara mobilize kwa mobilize politician ikin. Ano cha tension che plara ko bo sai. Ku didi we tat ke jang a Padang ala bushuk to corner to Kamakal la threat and of course that threat katat again abushuk ke agulek la tat as a threat and of course sometimes that threat plus national politics and then kukale coordinate so national politics go grown government of Juba la government jan can security force ke organized forces ke ta normal control ka sort of malakal but ton la reang malakal ngode platform mo ko right ko ne the recent story malarode ken kor runitiri let's say from 2023 chete ko mi nyi jora to la kam tat ken nuore la element of tat ken nuore to contact POC lakin koromo was support was engineered by Dinka Padang. So we be tired because the mushakal can no POC to engineer can manumi yukura yanen chwe shu Malaysia can Padang allow bushuk waramat kergan tat shu anore shu aga mazakat reikal POC. That was the beginning of Marjan can tat cases 2025 ala conspiracy dien elat ken again the newer Kakore, mobilization in continues. Shu tat chwara mobilize. Shu Padang ni chwara mobilize. Langok. Shu nuarabo. Chwara din mobilize. Ku in case they don't for attack. Kata dan le kwa ka target geje. Rere aka makal. Kakore. Shu tension. Shu continues. Shu nuar ngwan shu yere kal ka POC. In surrounding areas, Chuka Ben Tearon Kamakal. Manime she situation Jacob Force. And we shall can a name problems in between. Issue of land, can the control of Malakal, check resource, can a town, can land. And we shall can Chỉ chung nó cái 2025 that we say the core furniture you that they were like the good condition cái core the condition trả thế cái nuôi cái giang padang cái situation này mới vậy no take two personalities ta cũng nói là Sultan Balog tin cái Johnson ulun Sultan Balog cái Johnson ulun that key figure cái tat cái giang padang ngay còn ta đan này chỉ cái involve cái contribution này can all this mrai kon ke ru le ko na la de guru wala Sultan Balog kem nar ko na guru jan padang mo general ta appoint a defense minister ne ke 2023 ka administration de kem go dare chamach kana day ke ber supply cha kam padang Malaysia kudi ba tat ba ka attack ken ba ka pin go bi gu rar kwan ko ta ka tin ku bi gu ga makal no wo policy ndi alar ga run ndi ala de minister of defense de gu wala Sultan Balog a declaration of core katat me indirect John the ulun be jai ngai mala ro John the ulun e wutet de mala galeg de mentegeje che mobilize che organize objective da ne ko mobilize geje can objective ku jang padang no mobilize geje they were different lakin chi burum ko ne there is a bit national interest mu go de lat che ko kore da ne ka baganater kore da ne cha ba kap ka pangak so the interest that they felt that they know about the issue of land. Ko land makal take a problem. They are still in POC. Land makal are cha go fire jang. Which are divided. Cha daga ken. Cha jang la jang jong le yeti la pa winti. The teno korpulusti. Cha kam kisa jinubi kamakal. Cha jang la jang akoka. Ala dongjol. Cha kam kisa shumali. Ala matar. Cha ken nending kwal ro kon ji makal alangok lwal yak cha ka makal up to the wad kapot mulu ji tat ken nuore te makal cha ga rar ami chergeno shwetin ku tat they know about the issue of malakal ku mi an we berar pin jemunde ur jane mi sheng moblai ku jugo ke ku ne yen one accord fighting for the national interest. Initially, you had to accord your lock. That is the story we heard. May I call me a lock mobilization like a ulun. You can go to Puku Mijia. But dog me you ulun year, or I go for you see. Take you and Macama Magic Yam. You have a two objective. Young pal no con pal con. And the only thing that will help us go ban land of manager individually as a community, which I'm a Majoriana. My motor you are the Roma, you would yarn a my chunk be our Ladian Yandaro. Who are white young to even a group be a community. So take the weapon. Shoot at your objective much you are not a ken to a media, you are not a manaman. Now we know them take much. They are not a ken, a young. You get here and your objective dear and one I need in order. Chakoria covered I mean, Kapangak. Chakoria Kapanather. So we heard about all this called quarter of another, quarter of Pangak. Tell young that you quoted it. Then you will take a young of moon mark all about the bag your corner go to moon into a noor. Moon into a twinjai, moon into a wound cool. Palka moon mark all and under it. So of course you couldn't that there. A moon and an take a twinjai, you go in them. Coming back to Malakal, Jimalkal would touch a young, Yakamke. His situation, Sharanok question go and what will we do about Malakal? The cornet corner. Chato ko bigini. Ko jang will never accept to give Malakal back to Ted as long as Mungur Kume self-care la Kume din can jang would we call. Gonna yeneto ka part of the problem as we talk about Ulun can a Urmula Shwali Sultan Balu. Hirgatana lat corner, go situation to already Ted, they will fuel it. Come in gonna jang. No one upon the walk on them tindi. Beginning and the reason about it. A good objective without a matcan about the land of Malakal Jakan. Padang will never implement that. And there is no another way for Shuluk go by Monkin Kamakal Jak Gerkor. atanda to come padang Kenetat. So when you come to the Nuer, la Nuer Tante Melakal, this 2025. Nuer community Melakal, there are IDPs in Makal. We cannot talk about it Tarar. They call Laru, you can Nuer, to group. Chenkene POC. Attack a nature, attack a POC, assortment of Padang, Kenetat. Nuer, Chagajago, which you can flee, POC. Most of them, you can wonder a barar. You can wonder where I Iraq, Shukur, Shungur Kamubega, but disturb Nagake. Some of them, they persuade to Nuerland. Nedi Moin that is still in Malakal, as we are seeing today, we take a Nedi Nagare Makal. These are many of them. Now, Malakal, Nuer, they are primarily displaced. They are facing security threat, Kamalisha and Daro. Kan Katat can a young Padang, like now, the problem it was Kajang Padang, Kakoro Cornling Corner, the entire audience, case to Nafanal. So today, you can draw, can the corner then summarize, Kun and Yang, can a tad, Kamakal, take a stage of any time, Degany. So these are the things we can call the Akbar of today. Kadung din media, Buluno, Managwas yan Louis Gruno, it took a Kenny Boat walk, let a taste go shackling, Ushokran.